What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to view all the YouTube comments you've ever made on your YouTube account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Reviewing your YouTube comment history can be useful for various reasons. Maybe you want to find a particular comment you made, or you're simply curious to see your past interactions on the platform. First, ensure you're logged in to the correct YouTube account. It's the one you've used to make your comments. If you find yourself logged out, don't worry. Just log back in. To do this, head over to youtube.com on your web browser. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to start the login process. You'll be asked to sign in using your Google account, which is linked to your YouTube account. Don't forget to have your mobile device handy in case you need to verify your login, especially if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Once you're logged in, locate the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your YouTube screen. This icon opens the sidebar menu. In the sidebar menu, under the You section, you'll find an option labeled History. On the History page, you'll notice a panel on the right side of the screen. Look for the Comments option and click on it. After clicking on Comments, you'll be directed to a new page where you can view all of your YouTube comments. This page displays a chronological list of every comment you've made on YouTube using your account. It's a complete history that lets you see your interactions across different videos and channels. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.